Today we're unboxing the new Apple Watch Series 11. This is the 46 millimeter, so it's the standard Apple Watch 11, just the bigger. It comes in two sizes, 42 and 46. I am actually, while we're here, upgrading from the Series 5. So I have an older Series 5. I personally love my Series 5, but I wanted to upgrade to the 11 for a few different reasons. First, back to the Series 5. Again, I love it. I've had it for years, and as you can see, it still works perfect. But the reason why I'm upgrading to this is it's going to be a little faster, although again, the Series 5 is great. I still think it's plenty fast enough. But the big thing is with this, for me, I have blood pressure issues and things of that nature. This can actually monitor blood pressure, and the Series 11 is the first year they have done this. It monitors blood pressure, and the other big thing is, I find with my Series 5, I don't like how long it takes to charge. It takes about 90 minutes to get to a full 100% charge, and this one is going to be much quicker. This is why I'm going with it. So that being said, let's open it up. The one I got is in space gray, just so you know too. This is an open box item that I got. So it's gonna come with your charger. You can get, if you don't like this charger, I personally use bed nightstand chargers that you can put on it. You can look in my Amazon store, and it is, they are great. That charger works, but I like the night side ones. They're a little more stable, and you can put your cell phone on it and everything too. It's like an all-in-one. All right, here is the watch itself. Very nice. And if you compare, again, not a big difference, but if you put the two next to each other, I don't know if you can see the difference, sorry. This is kind of hard. I don't have the band on. You can see it's a little bigger. Not a lot bigger, but a little bigger. This one is 42 or 43 millimeters, the Series 5. But yeah, overall, I can tell you I like it. The new space gray, I believe, is also new for this year. There's also a lot of other new features, but the health features are the big one. It comes with a band. I personally like these bands, like the cloth style of band. This is more of a, I'm just gonna rip it open, make it easier. More of a neoprene band, and I'll show those who have not got a Apple Watch how to put these on. They're very simple. And you get the watch, you get the charger, you get the band, everything you need to get going. And bands, again, very easy, and they're pretty universal, small and large. All you do is take one end, put it in, there's a groove here. Let's see here. There we go, it clicks, and you'll feel it click in. Oh, I turned it on. And then you just go around the other side and click it in, and it's done. Now it's not going anywhere. It comes off easy. These are nice. I used to wear this type of band for a long time. This is originally the type of band I wore. I just find I personally like this, but it's personal preference. That being said, again, I'm very excited. Low battery, looks like I got to charge it. I'll give you guys an update once I use it for a little while. However, I can tell you just by this, because I love this watch. The Series 5 is still an amazing watch, and it does a lot of the same things this does. Basically, this one just charges faster. It's a touch snappier, and it has the new blood pressure monitoring system. It can also indicate AFib, irregular heartbeats, all sorts of good stuff. So both watches are good, but I can't wait to use this one. All right, guys, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'm also going to leave a link for the Amazon affiliate link. We do get a small portion of that if you use it. It helps keep this channel running. And I'll get back to you with an update after a little bit of use.